When we think about collagen, most of us immediately go to supplements, powders, or creams. But what if I told you that one of the most powerful, natural boosters of collagen isn't found in a plastic container, it's hanging on a tree? Today, I want to introduce you to a fruit that's not just delicious, but deeply functional. It's nature's own collagen factory. I'm talking about the kiwi. Collagen is the most abundant protein in the human body, and it serves as the structural foundation for skin, tendons, ligaments, cartilage, bones, and connective tissue. One of the most essential nutrients required for the synthesis of collagen is vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid. Without sufficient vitamin C, the body cannot effectively produce or maintain collagen, leading to a cascade of biological consequences that affect not only skin appearance, but also the structural integrity of joints, blood vessels, and internal organs. From a molecular biology perspective, the role of vitamin C in collagen synthesis is deeply integrated into the cellular mechanics of protein assembly and post-translational modification. To understand how vitamin C supports collagen production, we must look at the way collagen is formed in the body. Collagen molecules begin as chains of amino acids, particularly glycine, proline, and lysine. These chains form a triple helix structure that is essential for collagen's tensile strength and biological stability. The transformation of proline and lysine into their hydroxylated forms, hydroxyproline and hydroxylase, is a critical step in this process, and this step is entirely dependent on vitamin C. It acts as a cofactor for the enzymes prolyl hydroxylase and lysyl hydroxylase, which are responsible for adding hydroxyl groups to these amino acids. Without hydroxylation, the collagen molecules cannot form stable triple helices, resulting in defective or non-functional collagen. This biochemistry translates into real-world physiological effects. In the absence of vitamin C, collagen is not adequately formed, and the results are visible and severe. Historically, this deficiency manifests in a condition called scurvy, where symptoms include bleeding gums, loose teeth, fragile blood vessels, impaired wound healing, and joint pain, all due to collagen breakdown or failure to produce new collagen. Even in less extreme cases, suboptimal levels of vitamin C can lead to slower recovery from injuries, reduced skin elasticity, and premature signs of aging. Kiwi stands out as one of the most concentrated natural sources of vitamin C. Just one medium-sized kiwi contains approximately 70 to 90 milligrams of vitamin C, which is more than the recommended daily intake for adults. This makes kiwi not only a convenient but also a potent tool for supporting collagen production through nutrition. Compared to other fruits commonly associated with vitamin C, such as oranges, strawberries, or grapefruits, kiwi provides more vitamin C per gram and also includes a broader profile of nutrients and antioxidants that enhance its overall impact on skin and connective tissue health. The high bioavailability of vitamin C in kiwi makes it particularly effective. When consumed, the vitamin C from kiwi is rapidly absorbed in the small intestine and distributed to cells that are actively synthesizing collagen, such as fibroblasts in the skin and chondrocytes in the cartilage. The human body does not produce or store vitamin C in large amounts, so a daily dietary source is essential. This is where kiwi provides a strategic advantage. Its compact size and rich concentration make it easy to incorporate into daily routines without requiring large quantities. Furthermore, vitamin C doesn't act in isolation. Its presence also enhances iron absorption, reduces oxidative stress, and helps recycle other antioxidants in the body, all of which indirectly support the collagen matrix. Oxidative stress, particularly from sun exposure, smoking, and pollution, can degrade collagen fibers through the action of free radicals. Vitamin C, by neutralizing these free radicals, helps preserve the existing collagen while supporting the generation of new collagen. Recent research has highlighted the impact of regular kiwi consumption on skin health and aging. In clinical studies, participants who consumed kiwi daily demonstrated improvements in skin hydration, texture, and firmness, visible indicators of enhanced collagen activity. These effects are not superficial. They reflect deeper changes occurring in the dermal layers of the skin, where collagen plays a central structural role. In summary, vitamin C is not just helpful for collagen synthesis, it is absolutely required. Without it, the body cannot complete the biochemical steps necessary to create stable, functional collagen. Kiwi offers an exceptional source of this critical vitamin, delivering it in a highly bioavailable and nutrient-dense form. Consuming kiwi daily can significantly improve the body's ability to produce and maintain collagen, supporting healthier skin, stronger joints, and better overall connective tissue integrity. From a scientific standpoint, it is a simple but powerful strategy for enhancing longevity and tissue resilience. Collagen degradation is an inevitable part of aging, but its pace and severity are heavily influenced by environmental and internal factors, most notably oxidative stress. Oxidative stress occurs when there is an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants in the body. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cellular structures, including proteins like collagen, through a process called oxidation. This damage not only accelerates aging, but also weakens the structural integrity of the skin, joints, and connective tissues. Fortunately, antioxidants neutralize these free radicals and protect tissues from damage, making them essential for preserving collagen. One of the most effective dietary ways to bolster your antioxidant defense system is through the consumption of kiwi, a fruit uniquely rich in a variety of powerful antioxidants that safeguard collagen. Kiwi is often celebrated for its high vitamin C content, which is central to collagen synthesis, but its role extends further. It contains an array of antioxidants, including vitamin E, carotenoids such as lutein and beta-carotene, polyphenols, and flavonoids like quercetin. These compounds work synergistically to reduce the oxidative burden in the body. Each type of antioxidant in kiwi operates slightly differently. For example, vitamin E is a fat-soluble antioxidant that integrates into cell membranes and prevents lipid peroxidation, a process that can compromise the structural lipids surrounding skin cells and lead to inflammation, which accelerates collagen breakdown. When vitamin E neutralizes a free radical, it becomes oxidized itself, but here's where kiwi's high vitamin C content plays a crucial role again. Vitamin C has the ability to regenerate oxidized vitamin E, restoring its antioxidant capacity. This interplay dramatically enhances the effectiveness of both vitamins and maintains a protective environment for collagen. Polyphenols and flavonoids in kiwi also contribute to collagen protection by modulating inflammation and scavenging reactive oxygen species. Chronic low-grade inflammation is a major driver of collagen degradation, especially in conditions like arthritis or skin conditions exacerbated by UV exposure. Flavonoids like quercetin inhibit the activation of enzymes called matrix metalloproteinases (MMPs). These enzymes are normally involved in tissue remodeling, but under oxidative stress or inflammation, MMP become overactive and start to degrade collagen at an accelerated rate. By regulating MMP activity, kiwi-derived flavonoids help slow down the loss of collagen and maintain the integrity of the extracellular matrix. Another class of antioxidants found in kiwi are carotenoids, particularly lutein and beta-carotene, which are known for their skin protective qualities. Lutein, in particular, accumulates in the skin and eyes, where it filters high energy light and protects tissues from photodamage. UV exposure is one of the most potent external sources of free radical generation in the skin, and it directly breaks down collagen fibers while triggering inflammatory responses. Regular intake of carrot, rich foods like kiwi has been associated with reduced photo damage and increased skin elasticity, both of which suggest preserved collagen structure. What makes kiwi uniquely effective is the combination and concentration of these antioxidants. While many fruits offer 1 or 2 antioxidants in high amounts, kiwi offers a spectrum of them in balanced ratios that appear to work more efficiently together than in isolation. This synergy is important. Scientific literature increasingly supports the idea that combinations of antioxidants are more effective at combating oxidative stress than single compounds. When these molecules are naturally packaged together in a whole food like kiwi, they deliver comprehensive protection that processed supplements often cannot replicate. Clinical studies back these claims with tangible outcomes. Participants who consumed kiwi regularly showed not only improved markers of oxidative stress, but also enhanced skin appearance, better hydration, and improved healing from injuries, all signs of more robust collagen maintenance. In some studies, kiwi intake was linked to improvements in joint health and reduced signs of inflammation, again reflecting the preservation of collagen, rich connective tissue. It's important to consider that the body's antioxidant defenses are constantly under pressure from factors like pollution, UV exposure, poor diet, stress, and aging. Supporting those defenses through diet is not a luxury, it's a necessity. Kiwi, by delivering a rich supply of multiple antioxidants, helps create an internal environment where collagen can thrive rather than degrade. This approach doesn't just slow visible signs of aging, but enhances the biological resilience of connective tissues throughout the body. By integrating kiwi into a daily nutrition routine, individuals are taking a proactive, scientifically supported step toward long-term skin health and joint integrity. Kiwi offers not just support for collagen production, but a robust defense system to protect that collagen once it's formed. Sleep plays a pivotal role in nearly every regenerative process in the human body, including the synthesis and maintenance of collagen. Most people focus on topical treatments or supplements when trying to improve their skin and joint health, but what often gets overlooked is the foundational role of sleep in making any of those interventions effective. Collagen production doesn't occur uniformly throughout the day. Instead, the majority of it happens at night during deep, slow-wave sleep. This is when the body enters a restorative phase, releasing hormones like growth hormone and prolactin, which stimulate fibroblasts to produce collagen and repair tissues. If sleep is insufficient in duration or poor in quality, collagen production is compromised regardless of how much vitamin C or collagen supplements one consumes. This is why optimizing sleep is essential for maintaining skin elasticity, wound healing, joint integrity, and overall cellular repair. Kiwi is uniquely beneficial in this regard because it naturally supports better sleep quality and duration. Clinical research has shown that consuming kiwi about 1 hour before bed improves total sleep time, reduces sleep onset latency, the time it takes to fall asleep, and enhances sleep efficiency. This effect is believed to be due to kiwi's rich content of serotonin precursors, including tryptophan and antioxidants that support brain function and mood regulation. Serotonin is a neurotransmitter that not only stabilizes mood, but also serves as a precursor to melatonin, the hormone that regulates sleep-wake cycles. Higher serotonin availability in the brain promotes deeper, more consistent sleep, which in turn creates an internal environment conducive to collagen synthesis. Melatonin also has its own antioxidant properties, offering additional protection to cells and collagen fibers against oxidative stress during the night. The connection between sleep and collagen is further supported by hormonal rhythms. Growth hormone, which plays a critical role in tissue regeneration, peaks during the first half of the night, especially during non-REM sleep stages. Growth hormone directly stimulates collagen synthesis by acting on receptors in fibroblasts, the cells responsible for producing extracellular matrix proteins. Without deep sleep, growth hormone release is blunted, reducing the stimulus for collagen formation. Sleep deprivation, even for a few nights, can elevate cortisol levels, which not only impairs collagen production, but actively breaks down existing collagen in the skin and joints. Chronic sleep loss accelerates visible aging, reduces skin thickness, and increases inflammation, all signs of declining collagen health. Therefore, the ability of Key to support high-quality sleep is not just a peripheral benefit. It becomes central to collagen preservation and regeneration. Kiwi's impact doesn't stop at hormonal modulation. It also improves gut health, which is increasingly being linked to better sleep and skin function. A healthy gut microbiome produces neurotransmitters like GABA and serotonin, both of which influence sleep quality and emotional balance. Kiwi contains both prebiotic fiber and antioxidants that help support a balanced gut environment, indirectly benefiting the hormonal and neurological pathways that regulate sleep and collagen synthesis. This multi-tiered support, from direct serotonin precursors to microbiome modulation, makes Kiwi a functional food that influences both upstream and downstream regulators of collagen production. The practical application of this science is simple but powerful. By consuming 1 or 2 kiwis about an hour before bed, individuals may enhance their natural sleep architecture, allowing their bodies to enter deeper sleep stages where the regenerative processes of collagen synthesis are most active. This isn't just theoretical. Imaging studies and biomarker analyses in sleep research have shown that people who experience deeper, longer sleep have significantly better skin hydration, elasticity, and wound healing responses, all outcomes linked directly to collagen function. This makes Kiwi not just a support food, but a strategic intervention for anyone looking to improve their internal collagen production without pharmaceuticals. In conclusion, while many factors influence collagen levels in the body, sleep quality stands out as one of the most powerful yet underappreciated. Kiwi offers a natural, accessible way to support this vital function through its unique blend of serotonin in precursors, antioxidants, and gut-friendly nutrients. By improving the quality and consistency of sleep, Kiwi enables the hormonal and cellular conditions necessary for collagen synthesis to occur efficiently. It serves as a reminder that true regeneration doesn't happen solely through external products. It begins internally during rest and can be profoundly influenced by the right nutritional choices. Collagen is fundamental to the structure and function of the skin, joints, and connective tissues, and its maintenance is key to preserving youthfulness, flexibility, and resilience throughout life. While supplementation and topical treatments have become increasingly popular, emerging research points to the powerful effects of dietary habits, particularly the regular consumption of specific whole foods, on collagen health. Among these, Kiwi stands out not only for its vitamin and antioxidant content, but also for its direct impact on skin texture, hydration, elasticity, and joint functionality. The daily intake of Kiwi has been associated with measurable improvements in these areas, making it one of the most effective natural strategies for enhancing collagen-related benefits from the inside out. The first observable sign of collagen improvement often appears in the skin. Collagen provides the scaffolding that gives skin its firmness and elasticity. As collagen breaks down with age or under stress from environmental damage, the skin becomes thinner, less elastic, and more prone to wrinkles and sagging. Clinical studies have shown that individuals who consume Kiwi regularly exhibit increased skin hydration and elasticity, both of which are hallmarks of healthy collagen networks. This is largely due to Kiwi's ability to provide a rich supply of nutrients such as vitamin C, which is essential for collagen synthesis, and antioxidants that protect existing collagen from degradation. These nutrients are delivered in a bioavailable form that the body can easily absorb and utilize, leading to improvements that are not just visible, but biologically significant. The hydration of skin, for example, is not merely a cosmetic issue. It is a physiological indicator of how well the skin barrier is functioning. Collagen plays a crucial role in maintaining this barrier, and its presence helps the skin retain moisture more effectively. When collagen levels are supported through regular Kiwi consumption, the skin becomes better equipped to hold water, reducing dryness and flakiness. In studies where participants consumed Kiwi daily for several weeks, significant increases in skin moisture levels were reported, suggesting enhanced skin barrier integrity and improved cellular health. These effects are not temporary. They reflect underlying improvements in collagen synthesis and stability within the dermal matrix. Beyond cosmetic benefits, the impact of Kiwi on joints and connective tissues is equally compelling. Collagen is the primary structural component in cartilage, tendons, and ligaments. As people age or engage in physically demanding activities, these tissues are subjected to wear and tear. Without sufficient collagen, they become brittle and prone to injury. Regular consumption of Kiwi contributes to joint health by enhancing collagen production in connective tissues and protecting existing collagen from enzymatic degradation. This leads to better joint lubrication, flexibility, and resilience under mechanical stress. Individuals who incorporate Kiwi into their diets often report reduced joint stiffness and improved mobility, especially in the morning or after periods of inactivity, times when collagen degradation is more noticeable. Another factor contributing to these benefits is Kiwi's anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is one of the main drivers of collagen loss in both skin and joints. Kiwi contains flavonoids and polyphenols that reduce inflammatory cytokine levels in the body, helping to create a more favorable environment for collagen synthesis. This anti-inflammatory effect supports tissue repair and regeneration, making the improvements in skin and joint health more sustainable over time. By reducing oxidative and inflammatory damage, Kiwi allows collagen to function optimally within the body's repair systems. Additionally, Kiwi aids in wound healing, which is a collagen-intensive process. Whether dealing with minor cuts, post-surgical recovery, or even internal microtears in muscle or joint tissue, collagen must be rapidly synthesized and laid down to restore structural integrity. Kiwi's nutrient profile enhances this response by supplying the necessary cofactors and amino acids to fuel the rapid formation of new collagen. People who regularly consume Kiwi have demonstrated faster healing times and more effective tissue remodeling, further underscoring the fruit's regenerative potential. Ultimately, the cumulative effect of daily Kiwi consumption is a broad and biologically meaningful enhancement of collagen function throughout the body. Improvements in skin texture, elasticity, hydration, and wound healing, combined with increased joint comfort and mobility, reflect a systemic benefit that goes beyond isolated symptoms. These outcomes are not based on anecdotal reports, but are supported by measurable changes in clinical parameters and biomarker studies. Kiwi provides a concentrated, synergistic mix of nutrients that align perfectly with the body's needs for collagen synthesis and protection, making it a practical and science-driven addition to any regimen aimed at maintaining youthful, resilient tissues. When considering how to enhance collagen production in the body, most people focus on consuming collagen-rich foods or supplements. While this is important, it's only part of the equation. The effectiveness of collagen intake depends largely on the body's ability to break down and absorb the amino acids that form collagen. Protein digestion is a complex, multi-stage process that begins in the stomach and continues in the small intestine, involving a variety of enzymes that break proteins into peptides and eventually into individual amino acids like glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline, the critical building blocks of collagen. Without efficient digestion and absorption, even high-quality collagen supplements or protein-rich diets can fall short in delivering benefits. This is where Kiwi offers a unique advantage thanks to its naturally occurring enzyme called actinidin. Actinidin is a proteolytic enzyme found almost exclusively in kiwi fruit. Its primary function is to assist in the breakdown of proteins into smaller peptides and free amino acids. Unlike digestive enzymes produced in the human body, which often require specific pH ranges or work on limited types of protein bonds, actinidin operates in a broader pH environment and works synergistically with human enzymes. This makes it particularly effective in supporting overall protein digestion, especially in individuals who may have compromised digestive function due to age, stress, gut inflammation, or insufficient enzyme production. Scientific studies have confirmed that actinidin significantly enhances the digestion of proteins from both animal and plant sources. In controlled experiments, meals containing beef, fish, or dairy digested more completely when kiwi was consumed alongside them, compared to meals without kiwi. Actinidin accelerated the rate of gastric emptying and facilitated faster protein hydrolysis, which means that the proteins were broken down into absorbable amino acids more efficiently and quickly. This is especially relevant to collagen, which is composed of tightly packed triple helix chains that require strong enzymatic action to be dismantled properly. The enhanced absorption of amino acids due to actinidin supports the body's collagen synthesis process in a direct and measurable way. Once proteins are broken down, the resulting amino acids enter the bloodstream and are delivered to various tissues where they can be reassembled into structural proteins like collagen. This process is regulated by fibroblasts in the skin and chondrocytes in cartilage. These cells require a steady supply of glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline, in particular to produce healthy collagen fibers. If the digestive process is inefficient, the supply of these amino acids is limited, reducing the body's capacity to repair and maintain connective tissue. Actinidin's role doesn't stop at digestion. It may also influence gut motility and microbiome health. Some studies suggest that kiwi, through actinidin, promotes smoother digestion and may reduce symptoms of bloating and discomfort that often occur after protein-rich meals. A healthy gut environment is also crucial for nutrient absorption, immune regulation, and the synthesis of certain vitamins involved in collagen maintenance, such as B vitamins and vitamin K2. By supporting a healthier digestive tract, Kiwi indirectly boosts the body's overall metabolic efficiency, creating an internal ecosystem that favors collagen regeneration. An additional point worth noting is that actinidin is not found in significant amounts in most common fruits or vegetables. While papaya and pineapple also contain proteolytic enzymes papain and bromelain, respectively, actinidin is unique in that it operates in the acidic environment of the stomach and continues to function in the neutral pH of the small intestine. This versatility makes it particularly effective across all stages of digestion, from initial protein breakdown to final absorption in the small intestine. Kiwi's benefits are further amplified when consumed alongside dietary proteins. Whether someone is taking collagen peptides, eating bone broth, or consuming meat or plant-based proteins, pairing these with Ki, we can significantly enhance amino acid availability. This means that the body not only gets more out of the food or supplements being consumed, but is also more capable of putting those nutrients to work in building strong, resilient tissues. In summary, Ki offers a powerful and natural solution to a common bottleneck in collagen synthesis, its inefficient protein digestion. Through the enzyme actinidin, Ki enhances the breakdown and absorption of collagen, building amino acids, supports gut health, and ultimately boosts the body's ability to produce and maintain collagen. It's not just about what you eat, but how well your body can utilize what you eat. Adding Ki to your daily routine is a simple yet scientifically grounded step to optimize this process and support long-term skin, joint, and connective tissue health.